Hey guys, we're gonna make some barbecue chicken. I just have 6 little chicken legs here. We're gonna put some Slap Your Mama on them. I like Slap Your Mama. It's not overly spicy. Mo, you stop that. Now you know better than wine. And then we're gonna salt them. Of course, chicken needs salt, guys, because it is such a fresh meat. Now we're gonna barbecue this. Because I want barbecue, I don't want fried today. Mo and Wilder and Sonny want some fried, so we are having fried too, but we're doing the barbecue. And I'm gonna, we're gonna have some kind of noodle dish. I'm not sure yet what exactly it's gonna be like. Well, maybe I'll do it. You can just look pretty. No, I done all that. I've done that. Yeah, you can do the next one. Well, because you just a naughty head. Let's see what we need. I don't see it. We're just going to let Mo put, let's put a little bit of garlic on it. But please put just a little, okay? No, that's salt. I don't want salt. Garlic powder. Okay, my oven is hot enough.
I told you.
You stop yelling. Now hold it up high and sprinkle a little bit. A lot of bit, yeah, you did. But that's okay. That's okay. No, I better do it. Just turning this over. Okay, there we go. All right, now, hang on.
What, Mammy?
Gaga doesn't have any butter, so we're just going to use margarine. Okay, guys, we're just going to put a little bit of margarine on each one of these. It will melt. Well, maybe it'll go in there. It's going to melt and go down in our pan, which is fine. We just want some to kind of be on the top of the chicken when it starts melting too. We'll keep our chicken turned so that it can be in the butter or margarine. Mo, quit being silly. You and your hair's looking mighty fine this morning. Okay, now I've got me some margarine on there because we don't have butter. I'm going to put it in a 350-degree oven. I'm going to put tinfoil on it to start with, just to kind of help it get the cooking process going by holding in the heat. Then when we take it out and turn our chicken, we'll probably leave it off. Okay? So this is going to go in, going to go in a 350-degree oven, we'll leave it for about 15 minutes. Then we'll take it out, turn it over, and then we may put it back in there with the top off, probably. Then we'll take it out, then we'll do the barbecue, okay?
I think we want to do a barbecue.
Okay. Love you guys. Now, we're just going to pour off this water. You don't have to quite pour it all, but we don't want our barbecue sauce to get all watered down. The water comes from the chicken and from the margarine, because margarine is a big percent of water. And now before we put our barbecue sauce back on there, we're going to put us a little bit more butter on each one, or margarine, because I don't have any butter over here. And it's going to melt and go down in there, guys, but it's okay. We got rid of the excess water. And we're going to put barbecue sauce on the top side. And we like Sweet Baby Ray's, Sweet by Vidalia. Sweet Vidalia. Shh. They're talking about peanuts, guys. Boiled peanuts. We got some farm yesterday, and they love boiled peanuts. So I'm just putting some on here, and we're gonna kind of let it melt as it heats up in there. I'm not gonna put the top back on it when I put it back in this time. We're gonna put it back in for about 10 minutes, take it out, turn it over, barbecue some more, and then we'll be back, okay? Hey guys, I'm back. See how the chicken kind of, the barbecue sauce kind of melted? Now this one didn't go so far down, but we can just move him around a little bit, but the rest of them did. We're just gonna turn it over, and then we're gonna liberally put some on the other side because it will melt down into it. And see, there's all our melted butter down there. Melted margarine. And you can, you know, we have doctored, I'm big about doctoring up barbecue sauce, but today, Mo, will you please be quiet? I'm trying to tell your ladies some stuff. But anyhow, I'm big about doctoring up barbecue sauce, but I didn't this time. We just let it be like it is. It'll just melt over it. The top is off of it. And put it back in now for 10 more minutes, and we'll be ready to eat. And you don't even probably have to cook it quite that long. I just like to make sure my chicken gets done. Okay, there we go. We're going to put it back in the oven. I didn't tell you. I am going to turn my oven up to 400 on these last 10 minutes, just so it'll get kind of caramelized and whatever on there, the barbecue sauce, okay? So for 10 minutes, we're going to increase it just a little bit. All right, we'll be back when it's done. Okay, guys, it is done. Whew. Goodness, oh, that looks so good. Whew. This rainy weather's got my hair wanting to be crazy, guys, crazy. But look here. Let's see if we can squash it around in that barbecue sauce. Oops, I turned it over and I messed the top of it up. That's all right. Y'all ignore them. Y'all know how they are. But there we go, our barbecue chicken, guys. Yay!